How to turn on friends request permission in WeChat. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can turn on friend request permission in WeChat. So random people can message or add you without your approval. So let's jump right into it. First, open up the WeChat app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are logged in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the Me option. After tapping on Me, you will see a few different options. Now simply tap on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account preferences. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section called Privacy. Under Privacy, find and tap on Friends Permissions. Here you will see an option that says Require Friends Request. If this switch is off, just toggle it on. Once it's on, people will have to send you a friend request first. They won't be able to message or add you randomly anymore. And that's it. You have successfully enabled friend request permission in WeChat. Now your account is more private and secure. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.